Hello everyone, Cisco here. Today I will show you two things in this video. First thing, I will show you where you can find your liked reels and posts on Instagram. And second thing, where you can find your saved reel list and the post Instagram. So let's start. As you see, this is my post I already liked. To access your liked post, go to your profile, then click here and choose setting, then click on account and click here. Here we go guys. Now let's say how you can find your saved reels and post. Click here, then choose saved and click on all posts. That's it guys. So guys, don't forget subscribe and like, you will help me so much. And share this video with your friend.